Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the world's best health and beauty products affiliate program. If you want to know more about this website, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is a Market Health affiliate program? Market Health affiliate program allows you to market and promote the world's leading health and beauty offers on the net. We offer the highest paying affiliate offer. If you want to join, check out the description box. Our payout? Working directly with Market Health will ensure you the highest payout. No middleman means more money to you. All our offers are exclusive with the guaranteed top payout on the offer. For payout, create your Skrill account, link in the description box. Here are some points to be known. 1. Highest conversions, best-selling products. By being in tune with the latest product trends and customer behavior, as well as utilizing real-time optimization software, Market Health always has the offers and pages that convert. 2. Exclusive offers. Over 200 health and beauty offers for over 10 years. Market Health has been the industry leader in the performance-based health and beauty space. We manufacture, own, and operate over health beauty 200 products in over 100 countries. 3. Advanced tracking, latest online tracking software. We have partnered with Has Offers, a proven leader in real-time affiliate tracking, to offer our affiliates the most robust and reliable tracking system to date. 4. Recurring income, cash in on product subscriptions. The money doesn't stop once you had made a sale. At Market Health, affiliates earn recurring income on remarketing to customers via newsletters and coupon offers. 5. Global offers, international and multilingual. We offer hundreds of international campaigns complete with all localized languages and processing methods. 6. Free resources, landers, banners and more. In addition to providing a complete advertising creative suite for all of our products, our in-house design team can be available for your custom needs. 7. Custom offers for experienced affiliates. Are you an experienced affiliate that would like to work directly with your advertiser on a custom and exclusive sales flow? Talk to your account manager about building out a custom offer specifically for you and your traffic. I hope all are enjoying the video and start from today. This is the world best affiliate program of health and beauty. If you get more interesting videos like this, subscribe to my channel and show your love by ring the bell icon. Good luck.